Small things in a climate of growing inequalities and a climate where the sort of ideological orientation and the social orientation or the prevailing not just conservative but sometimes even retrogress. And I think for women's studies that has been a challenge. Another challenge that we have always found, and we are aware of it both in women's studies and they come from different social groups, they come from different social religious communities, they come from different occupational and economic sections of society, and we are aware in the Indian Association for Women's Studies that a special effort has to be made to reach out to those segments and those sections of women as well as of society who come when we spread out our ideas and aim to disseminate the goals of the IWS in the northern region. For us, Aligarh occupies a special place. IWS has in the past
it's all the chances, but it is the underprivileged who require support. And when we wanted to help Mr. Ansari in a mission, we were and especially for the underprivileged lot is praiseworthy, and I think she deserves special credit for making all those efforts. Let's for women. The first thing I want to tell you is that we are going to build a hostel for 1,500 can live in with some decency and with comfort. We are going to get all our girl students within the campus to areas where they can be molested or EPs or whatever name you like to call it. But we would like to protect them, and here within the to Maulana Azad Life, it comes up so periodically, and I am under constant fire. But I have to keep in mind in the AMU call, what they should propose is out of the 10 seats, 2 should be reserved and also have a moderating influence on the young student leaders who want to join politics. I hope the presence of the girls students will have some moderating, some disciplining influence. So thank you very much. That's all I have to say. I give you an assurance we will look after the women who are based in our child.
Then a couplet from a trial, which goes like this. तू बचा बचा के न रख से तेरा आईना है वो आईना जो शिकस्त हो तो अजीज बने निगाहे आईना साथ में. This couplet sums up my life, my times in Aligarh. My father was Director of Education in Kashmir. He was picked up by an expedition and sent to Iraq. I was 13 or 14. I had heard my father talk of Cambridge where he had studied, and I had a dream. I wanted to go to Cambridge. Like my father, study there, teach there, settle down there, never get married, have 5 dogs and a cottage which had a lot of roses. This was the dream a 13-year-old was dreaming, and towards that dream, I started to write a novel which said, The House That Father Built. Few poems and a short story which came out in some of the English magazines in Iraq was all my efforts to be able to go to Cambridge. And then I met quite a mad British professor.
Dr. Juhi Gupta. I'm a faculty at Women's Studies, Aligarh University. हाँ, वर्कशॉप है इंटेरोगेटिंग पास्ट एंड इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग द प्रेजेंट, और ऑब्जेक्टिव है सेमिनार का हमारे एलुमनाई, विमेन एलुमनाई के एक्सपीरियंसेस को रिकॉर्ड करना, वुमेन स्टडीज़ को कौन सी प्रॉब्लम्स और चैलेंजेस आ रही हैं उनको फेस करना, और टू लुक सॉल्यूशंस सीख करना। हाँ, आज की सेमिनार से विमेन स्टडीज़ को एज अ डिसिप्लिन, एज अ सब्जेक्ट स्टैब्लिश करने में मदद मिलेगी, और हमारे पुराने जो एलुमना विमेन स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके एक्सपीरियंस को हम रिकॉर्ड करेंगे, और उनको जो चैलेंजेस फेस करने पड़े वो आज के स्टूडेंट्स ना फेस करें, और फ्यूचर में एक बेहतर भविष्य बना सकें विमेन स्टडीज़ का। वो ऑब्जेक्टिव सी ऑल एल्डरली विमेंस वी रिस्पेक्ट टू द कॉर। हम बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं अपनी सारी एल्डरली विमेन का। वी इंस्पायर अ लॉट, एंड हिंदी वुड बी सारी विमेन स्टडीज़ का तो ऑब्जेक्टिव ही मे बी दे विल बी हेल्पिंग अस। सो विमेन स्टडीज़ का ऑब्जेक्टिव ही है विमेन को एक अच्छा स्पेस दिलाना, तो मदर्स, डॉटर्स, एवरी सब बेनिफिट करेंगे विमेन स्टडीज़ से। इसमें हमारी चीफ गेस्ट हैं मिसेस सलमा अंसारी साहब, और वाइस चांसलर, प्रो वाइस चांसलर, रजिस्ट्रार, डीन, सारे सीनियर प्रोफेसर सब ने हमें ज्वाइन किया है, और सब हमें एनकरेज कर रहे हैं विमेन स्टडीज़ को, विमेन के इश्यूज़ को रिजॉल्व करने में अलीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी में औरतों के लिए एक बेहतर जगह बन सके। ये कि एजुकेशन बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, और हर संभव कोशिश करनी चाहिए एजुकेशन पाने की। मैं दरख्वास्त करूँगी सारे पेरेंट्स से कि वो अपनी बच्चियों को पढ़ाएं, क्योंकि शिक्षा के ज़रिए ही एक बेहतर भविष्य बन सकता है। हर तरीके का एम्पावरमेंट शिक्षा से शुरू होता है, और एजुकेशन के। डॉक्टर जूही गुप्ता।